These AI car modification videos are going absolutely viral right now. They're realistic, satisfying, and incredibly engaging to watch. Just take a look at this Instagram page. They've been posting car modification videos just like this one and have gained over 100,000 plus followers doing it. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to recreate this type of content using completely free AI tools. Without any delay, let's get into the video. To create videos like this, all you need is one detailed master prompt. And I've got it ready for you right here in my Google Docs. Just click the link in the description to grab it. Click the link, open the Google Doc, and you'll see the complete master prompt laid out. Simply copy the entire thing. Now, head over to any AI chatbot. I'm using Claude AI here. Paste the full master prompt into the chat and hit send. Claude will process the prompt and ask you, how many videos do you want to create? Pick a number from 1 to 10. I'm choosing 1 for this example. Type it in and send. Next, Claude will give you a list of car names along with a list of colors. Pick whichever car and color you like. I'm choosing mine here. Then send your selection. After a few seconds, Claude will ask whether you want short-form or long-form videos. For this tutorial, I'm going with short-form. Type your choice and send it. And that's it. Your complete video prompt is ready. It'll include your selected car, the exact color you picked, and a full, detailed, shot-by-shot video description. Simply copy this entire prompt, head over to Google, and open Flow AI Video Generation. Paste the full prompt in, then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose the AI model OmniFlash, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. This is important for the best results. Once everything's set, just click the arrow to send the prompt. Wait a few minutes, and Flow AI will generate a complete, realistic car modification video, exactly like the one I showed you at the start. As you can see, the result looks incredibly close to a real car modification. Download the video and upload it to any social media platform you like. You can repeat this exact process to create as many videos as you want. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.